So this video is making rain in my kitchen. So the materials that I have here is a plate with cold ice cubes on it, and that's going to act as my cold object that goes on top of the boiling water, which I have here. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to place the water in this clear container and then put the plate with cold ice on top of the container, and then we'll see what happens. So now I have poured the boiling water into the clear container with the plate of ice cubes over the top of it. So the way this is going to work is the hot water is going to rise to the top, and then it's going to hit a cool surface and then cool down. The temperature is going to cool down. So then it'll condense and hopefully form some water droplets, which will be our rain, and that'll fall back into the regular water as rain. So we're starting to see some droplets starting to fall. So this is just like in the real world. As water heats up, it evaporates and goes into the atmosphere, and then eventually cools down once it hits a cooler temperature, and then condenses into water droplets again, which falls back down to the earth. So there we go, making rain in the kitchen. Okay, so as you can see in the experiment, as the water was boiling and as it was heating up, the water molecules were speeding up and the kinetic energy was increasing. So that allowed the water to become water vapor. As the water vapor hit the top plate that was cold, when it came in contact with that, the molecules slowed down in speed and the kinetic energy dropped, which allowed it to condense back into liquid form, which then caused it to drop back into the water as rain.